Yes, hi viewers. Welcome to Hotspot programming. Today I am going to explain you for each method in JavaScript. Okay, the for each method executes a provided function once for each element in an array in order. Okay, it mainly used for iterating through arrays without creating a new array. Okay, we'll see syntax for each. For each, okay, write syntax array dot for each of callback function. In this we have arguments current value, index, comma, array. Okay, and this argument, this is the syntax. Okay, current value means that was current being processed, and index is an optional thing. It was an index for the current element. Array, the array for each was called on. Actually, array means that original array, or what you call that one. Okay, and we'll see an example for this. We'll see an example, that is const fruits equal to some array apple, banana, and mango. Okay, mango. And here fruits of for each of fruit equal to console.log of fruit. That means, what is the output we are expecting here? It will read every element in this array. Okay, check, we got an error, fruits dot. Okay, fruits dot we have to give, and check again. Your spelling is not correct. Fruits dot for each actually here we have to give capital letter for each. Okay, and check every element is readed and it was executed: apple, banana, and mango. Okay, and we'll see another example. Const colors equal to red. And green. blue. Okay, and colors dot for each of color comma index. Here we are passing two arguments. Okay, console.log of index comma color. Okay, index comma color. First we'll clear this one, and here what we are expecting is an output, index number and color element name. Okay, again we got an error. Colors dot for each of, and we have to give another bracket here. Forgot to give in. Yeah, see here 0 1 2, and we have provided the colors also. 0, index 0 we have red, index 1 we have green, index 2 blue. Okay, and we'll see another example, that is, let numbers equal to 1 comma 2 comma 3. Okay, take in an array, numbers dot for each, have to give capital letter and num comma index comma array. Here we are using 3 arguments. Okay, array of index equal to num into 2. Okay, sorry, here we have to give index here only, not here. Okay, and console.log of numbers. Okay, first we'll clear this one and run. See here, was 1 become 2, and what we are doing here is we're just multiplying every element with 2. Okay, 1 into 2 2, 2 2s are 4, 3 2s are 6. Okay, like that. It was modifying array elements. Okay, what is this? This is which index. Okay, yes, that's it from this video, guys. If you like this video, please do like, share and subscribe to Hotspot Programming. If you have any doubts, please comment below. Thank you.